Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36Pix, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can extract green screen backgrounds with ease using our web application CloudKO Lite. When you open an image, the default tool is a red brush. This brush allows me to paint over the image and hide the green. We can change the brush to show green mode by clicking here or by pressing B for brush on the keyboard. Now when I paint, it will restore the green rather than hide it. Let's go back to high green mode for now by pressing B again on our keyboard. The size of the brush can be changed by either typing a number in here and pressing enter, or using the left and right bracket keys on your keyboard. To help draw a straight line with the brush, you can click once with the mouse and then press and hold the shift key while you click again a few inches away. The opacity of the brush can also be changed. This will determine how much of the green is removed or restored each time you paint over it. You can type a number between 1 and 100 in the box here and press enter, or what I like to do is press 1 for 10%, 2 for 20%, and so on. To get back to 100%, you can press 0 on the keyboard. Next, let's look at the hardness. The default hardness for the brush is 90, and this is good in most cases. The only time I lower the hardness is when blending and using opacity. If I draw a straight line, notice how the edges have a little bit of a feather on them. Now if I lower the hardness to 20 and draw another straight line, the edges are much more feathered. Now that we've covered all the brush settings, let's reload our image by pressing R on the keyboard and edit again from scratch. To deal with the green background showing through the sheer fabric of her shirt, we need to use opacity and hardness. To do this, I want to use a soft, low opacity brush. I'll set my opacity at 10% and the hardness to 20. Then, with a large red brush, I need to paint one stroke at a time until I'm happy with the balance of background with the green color of her shirt. Once we've completed our edit, all we have to do to save the image is press F8. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials for information on tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.